day 2. We're just backing out of the driveway for the house. Anyway, day 2 at Tulsa. So anyway, it's a little bit different this morning. Don't have the truck or trailer behind me. Got Pops driving. So I'm going to have a special stop along the way. So stay tuned for that here in a minute. It's going to be a little bit different than the normal stops we do. It's going to be a different Sonic as well. So anyway, on to our Sonic stop. Okay, we're coming in. Nice water.
Breakfast burritos, sausage. That's all I want, just 2 of the burritos with sausage.
Alright, beautiful.
Go ahead. Well, after almost a 12-minute or longer wait, we got our bag. Yep, just a normal Sonic bag. It's a brown bag. Anyway, off to the track we go. Then we'll get our burritos, then do some time trials. So, okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you like that Sonic stop. That was adventurous. But anyway, we get 2 qualifying sessions or 2 test sessions this morning. Then we go right into eliminations. There are lots of people here. So with that, on to the time trials. Go from there. The car is warmed up. It's sitting outside. So anyway, we'll see how we do. Yesterday's race wasn't as good. We went to 3rd round and just messed up. I should have walked in that last one. But anyway, new day, new race. So here we go. Okay, first round. I got a 658 on it. We'll see how we go. Okay guys, before I get up there and get too busy, I'm sticking with a 658 on it. This is round 2 coming up. Round 1, we won that one against that bike, so here we go. Sorry about the in-car camera. Camera must have overheated. The camera's in the sun all the time. So didn't have no down track camera, but the 360 camera, as far as I know, it did work. So anyway, just have to put a towel on the in-car camera. So for some reason it gets really hot and it just shuts off. So anyway, very close race. 004, 008 margin of victory. I womped it once and probably shouldn't have. So anyway, good to go for round number 3 coming up. Okay guys, round 3. I'm going to still stick with my that's not good. 658 dial. Hopefully the camera stay on. I'll try to put a cover on it. So anyway, let's get up there and get round 3. A 005 light. Yeah, there we go. Got their 0113 on them. So, womped it once. Good, that's a win. Okay guys, yeah. We are going to stick with the 58. I think it's going to be quicker maybe. Sun's starting to set. That one's close to be a 57, but I'm going to stay with a 58. for round number 4 coming up. So here we go. Round 4, another close finish, 0063, whomped it once. I better just keep my foot in it next pass because I should have not. That was almost a give back to them. So anyway, it's all my favor, so 5th round coming up. Okay, round 5's coming up. We're gonna dial 658, so here comes round 5. Okay guys, 5th round, another tight race, 0024 against Jimmy, good friend of mine. I did not whomp at that time, I stayed in it. He had a little bit better reaction, a 39 out of 47. I just happened to rank closer to my dial. I just trusted the dial that was not gonna break out. So anyway, damn good race. Going to the 6th round, and I'm going to have to race my way in the final. Did not have better enough reaction. I was only a 47, so it felt better, but I was off. Anyway, semis, here we come. Okay, round 6, 658. It's been lucky all day, so we're going to stay with it. So here we go, guys. Okay, this is really weird. Even though I had a crappy light, it was a double breakout. He broke out. I broke out by more. Margin of victory is 0011 on the double breakout. So, oh well.